Hey, my name is Junior, I'm from the Bronx, and this is my 2022 FreeSolo. I like to camp in tents, in my truck, rooftop tent, so everything I try to do is fluid. So I didn't do much mods here. This is just my freezer. I use it as a freezer. Other than that, it's just little poles to keep things from sliding out. Everything is removable.
So that's the BougeRV fridge?
Yeah, this is the 20 quart. And I wanted to do the 30, but I was afraid to do the cut like you did.
Yeah.
I'm not very handy.
So it's the 23 quart, it's the same
then,
one,
yes.
it just looks different than mine, it's a different model.
Yeah.
But you're saying you have other refrigerators that we'll get to, so this is just for keeping stuff frozen solid.
Yes, I use this since I have enough solar and enough battery space. I use it as a freezer, otherwise I wouldn't because the compressor's always running.
That's pretty sweet. So it's kept up?
Yes, so far I haven't had one issue because I miss all that so I can have ice.
Yeah, and ice cream.
Yeah, so that's why I do it.
That's really nice. So you've done some mods.
Oh, I stole this from Sam. But then I realized the wind blows while I was here, so for now, that holds it there until I can think of something else
That's
to
an
keep
impressive
it in place.
mod. Sliding
I tried.
gloves in there.
I tried.
I see you have the can jams and the different styles of strings for your awnings.
Yes.
You got a Bialetti. So your coffee,
Yes,
you're,
yes.
well, you're from New York, you understand.
I'm Spanish, we call it Greca, but yes, I have a Greca.
Very nice. So you do a lot of cooking out of this?
I do, I have the stove here, I have the Omnia oven here. It's like a Dutch oven, and more than a third of the weight is saved. So if the stove is here, I would throw that on the burner. And then over the flame comes up this way, bounces off the top and radiates, and that's how you get the oven effect.
Okay, so what we're doing here is we're cheating the system. We only have camp style stoves, cooktops, but we're getting an oven effect by reflecting the heat from the top.
And then so I don't burn, that goes there, and then you have the different modes that you can do to make it clean up easier, and that's it.
So what, are you making cupcakes at camp?
I make biscuits, I make cupcakes, I make a little everything. People make pizza, they use this mode, but you gotta get used to it. I'm not used to a pizza looking circular like this, but.
Well, these things have been the buzz. Everyone keeps telling me about them. I'll have to get one and check it out, but nice setup. And I see that your kitchen has expanded.
Oh yeah, like I said, everything is fluid, so I can grab this bin, throw it in my truck, and I know I have everything I need here to cook. I have utensils, pots, cutting boards, wipes, oil, whatever I need. So this is my camp kitchen.
Nice. And when you're not in the FreeSolo, you have an RTT.
Yes.
So you have the option, and that's the fluidity that you're talking about, the ability to be able to not have to take the trailer with you to have your camping gear.
Because sometimes I go camping with people who don't have it, so I'll take the rooftop tent.
So you want to take us through, I see you have the full trip to the Wizard of Mods.
I wanted something to extend my camping, so this allows me to go further into the season. With the flaps down, I can put a heater here and either bring somebody and they can sleep there, or I could just hang out here during the day.
So ARB makes a nice awning. You can get the awning room for it. But what the modification, you have great screen rooms, the walls come down. The modification's about using it in wind and heavier rain. So you have a red system. Your roof has been peaked and it's been contoured so that, I don't know if I could see through the screen here, but you have the modification contours and you have your side poles on the side. You've liked this.
Yeah, it allows me, being 6 foot tall, it helps that this is not drooping down as low. So it allows me that. I enjoy, like I said, it's closed off. And then yesterday it was windy and his whole awning came down. And this one didn't move at all. I got nervous, I looked, but nothing happened. And then I put the bug net, and you could tell that whatever I do, I'm not handy. Like someone else, they say, oh, you got to cut it and sew it. Nah, I don't know how to do that.
Tuck it in.
I just tuck it in. And then that's the mattress that it came with down here. I added a Hess mattress. I have a couple of them. but I only brought one here. Why I like the Hess is comfortable. I could put both and have here, but I can also take both of them, throw it on the rooftop, and I'll have better bedding there.
Just continue and
Yeah,
come
the
back
fluid,
to,
yes.
buy it once, use it for
Yes.
everything. And
And
I'm
then-
getting into that now, having 2 trailers.
Yes.
You don't want to buy 2 of everything, but sometimes you end up doing it anyway.
And then that's it. I could put a cot here in the winter with that mattress. I could do so many different things, and that's it. Because sometimes people want to go camping, but they don't have the equipment. And I tell them, listen, before you spend that kind of money, come with me, see if you like it. And if you like it, now you could spend the money.
That's the way to do it. So we've all been hanging out by your campsite, and we like you and all, but I think you've noticed that people are starting to mooch your free internet service.
Yes, yes. Someone offered to buy internet today. I've never had that before.
So tell us about it. What did you get?
I got the Starlink Mini. I got it because, again, I like to go places where there's no internet, but I still could keep in contact with family and friends if I needed to. I got the 50 gigabytes. That's enough for me a month. And I just like the freedom it gives me. I try not to go crazy using it because then it kind of takes away from the fun of camping.
Well, that's a really good point, and people bring this up all the time. It's like, sometimes getting a few more things allows us to go more,
Yes.
go different places, and stay out longer.
Yes.
So you can be a camping purist all you want. Me and you like to backpack. We like to
Yes.
get outside any way we can. But if people are complaining about some amenities, generally they don't go out that much anyway, right?
Yeah, no, this is what I enjoy. So it allows me. That's why, if you look at my truck, I have 2 more refrigerators, and they were making fun of me. But I don't have to do a Walmart run in the middle of this boil. I could just go.
So Nissan,
It's a Nissan Pro 4X 2025.
nice Lear, carpet
Yeah, I
design.
added the Leah because I live in the Bronx, and I'm afraid people are gonna steal stuff from my truck bed. So it gives me a little protection. Then I added this sled so I can be able to pull out what I need. But I believe this is the 30 quart. And I use this for my drinks. You got Junior's Happy Juice.
What's that, spring water?
Yeah, okay. But let's go with yes, spring water.
Now, I love this slippery racer. I spent, a lot of money to get a fancy sliding system on the truck.
Yeah.
That is coming from the old deer hunter days.
Yeah, I saw someone doing it. I was like, because I've seen you have the deck, which I wanted, but then the deck comes so high that sometimes I want to be able to just sneak in here and take a nap, and I'm so
Sure.
tall.
Or fit a garbage can
Yeah.
in there. The
So-
deck does take away from some
And then
stuff,
the
but
Leah
that's
as well.
pretty sweet.
So I went with this.
You got it reflex teched out?
Yes, just to keep in some things and keep light out, and then I keep bins here. Again, everything is fluid. This I could just take as my lights. Whatever I have here, I can use on the trail. I can use car camping. I can use whatever else.
So one thing that helps you out is no ice. You got multiple refrigerators, but you can separate. You're just no cooler. You have your cold drinks, you
Yeah.
have your frozen food and thawed food, 3 fridges.
And then I have my food here in the 40. So again, I don't have to worry. The opening, the closing, the food is. And then in the corner from your channel, I brought the Eco battery. I threw the 100 amp hour, threw it in the corner, ran some wires. I'm not a pro, so it's not the neatest.
It looks just fine to me.
And then I added lights in here. So if I'm in here for anything, and then I usually plug my refrigerator here if I don't have power, and that's,
So you can power this setup off your EcoFlow.
yeah. So I don't have to worry about my truck battery at all.
That's really sweet. So it's all coming off the 12-volt side.
Yeah. I don't really use anything other than that. Then I have a light up here, which allows me to either spin it out so I could get light out back here,
So it turns.
spin it down here if I want to cook on the tailgate.
I'll put a link in the description to that. I like that.
It's pricey, but I like it. It's hard to break.
Indestructible,
Indestructible.
yeah.
There you go.
So you're decked out. You got solar. Do you use the jack yet?
Listen, I stole 50% of your videos. This is where I got the idea for the solar panels. Keep it away from the edge. I keep, and I
So
did
you
it.
can reseal.
Yes.
So nothing, you don't have to steal from me. Everything's free.
Yes, yes, but I want to give credit, because except for this, because
Don't give me credit for that.
Yes,
That was your job.
yeah, I posted a video of the mod, and someone goes, "Why is it crooked like that?" I'm like, "Because I did it myself." Now all of us do it the right, 100%, but I still take pride in it because it works.
There's nothing wrong with it. It works. You know,
Then-
so I'm liking it. All right, so the big question here, and I know, you know, I tell people I'm from New York, they all assume I'm from the city, and then I say, no, I'm upstate, I'm in the Catskills. Now, you're one of the first people I know with a teardrop towing from the Bronx.
Yes.
So tell me about that. Where do you park this thing? What do you?
Well, when I was looking, I have I think it's about a 25-foot driveway. So I was looking for something small. I joined the A-liner page and the Bushwhacker page. And I said, whichever comes out with the right price. And then I saw this one up in the Adirondacks, is that how you say it, where you live? Which is not New York. But I drove up there, upstate. And then I ended up with this. But even when I came down, I'm like, I had to call my neighbor, Joe, I need you to park this for me. Because we don't really use trailers in New York City. But this is why I went with this side. It allows me to park it outside, but gives me the freedom to just hook it up and go. Because I've heard of people who have to drive somewhere else, a storage place, latch it up and
paying
go.
to put it in storage. But,
So-
you know, so I won't hold it against you that you're from that lower part of New York.
Yes, yes,
It's
yes.
not as
I'm
nice.
from where the crime is.
But it's so great that you are getting outdoors and seeing
Yes.
some beautiful things. And we're down here. You can't beat where we're camping here in North Carolina. So
No, no, no. If I'm not used to a lake you could see the bottom of, so you're taking me out of the hood and showing me a different world, so I'm enjoying it.
that's right. And this is not a super fun site.
Yeah, so.
All right,
that's
I
it.
appreciate you so
All
much.
right.
We're having a blast here.
Thank you.
If you guys haven't thought about it yet, make your way to one of these rallies or gatherings. We're hanging out with all sorts of folks here and having a blast.
Yeah,
So
free Wi-Fi.
see you guys next time.
All right.